Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you a SKILL.md file in Cloud Cowork. So as I said, in this video I will show you a SKILL.md file in Cloud Cowork, and in order to do it we have to go into Cowork section. Of course I'm not going to read the whole SKILL.md file because this is pretty long. I will just show you where to find it, how can you find it, and what can you find inside of it. So in order to see SKILL.md file, you have to go into Customize section and you have to go into Skills tab. Here you have the SKILL.md file. And what is the SKILL.md file? SKILL.md file is the file that contains the information about how to create new skills, modify and improve existing skills, and measure skill performance. Used when users want to create skills from scratch, edit and optimize existing skill. Run eval to test a skill, benchmark skill performance with variance analysis. To optimize a skill description for better triggering accuracy. You can read it either in the normal readable way or you can switch to Markdown. Maybe I will leave it like this. Of course, I'm not going to read it all. As you can see, this is very empty. Not empty, but long. But if you want to get some information about skills, of how to create the skills and some other things, you can actually go here and read it. In that case, I will just show you what this file contains. So you have some basic information about the skills. You have about information about communicating with the user. And the most important thing, how to create a skill. Of course, I will record some other videos about how to create a skill, how to manage them, how to use them. But if you want to find it directly in the official documentation, you can go into SKILL.md section. You have how to write the SKILL.md, how to skill writing guide, and so on. So some key patterns, principle of lack of surprise, writing styles, test cases, running and evaluating these test cases. So as you can see, it is pretty important. You have some steps of how you can do it, and so on. So if you are interested in some theoretical information about the skills, for example, you have skill that you don't know if it is good and you want to improve it, you can go into the section improve the skill and read it, and maybe it will help you. So you have advanced blind comparison, description optimization, and so on. So this is how it looks like. This is what is the SKILL.md file. You have also some information about agents, assets, evaluation viewer, references, scripts, and so on. Also about the license. So if you want to see some theoretical information, you can go into this section, into Customize and Skills, and you can read it. Of course, in the future I will, as I said before, record more videos about skills in more practical way of how to create them and how to use them. But this video was about the SKILL.md file, how does it look and how does it look like, and where you can find it. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.